clunky. Because it's meant to be a bit more animated than that, to do something like that. So, let's go and do a bit of teleportation. Right, I'm not actually that much of a fan of teleportation of a dynamic. I prefer the, what is it called, strafing method. Downstairs, big lump, halfway down, deep. Downstairs, big lump, halfway down, deep. Here we go. Fish stool. Now over here, I'm full of put an air taxi, or what will be an air taxi. How to move it. But that's for another week. I had to build this little platform. Around the edge of the world. Presumably the village is so deserted because people keep falling off. Right, where am I? Oh yeah, let's go to the bridges. Now I did have a strange problem in that because these worlds, now 3 little villages with attached bridges over there, are coming in from Sketchfab, then they were orientated wrong by 90 degrees. Doesn't matter, you twist them and you're standing up and you're fine, but the area script assumes, well, it uses the local direction, not the global direction. So when I teleported somewhere, I would turn up at 90 degrees to where I wanted to be. I've left this area of grass to show you the effect, so if you want to see the bug, this is what it is. Go onto the grass, and I'm suddenly lying down. Drunk, probably that bottle of wine had some influence upon me. Drunk under the bins, it appears. Okay, so I do have a fix for this. I will post it in the Discord. On that, I think I'll just have a lie down.